Hello guys, today we're touring this incredible townhome located in Hamilton, Ontario. Really excited to tour this one because it has a lot to offer. You have a finished basement and a newer townhome, great area in Ancaster, Ontario. Definitely giving a really nice, rich community feeling. I also love that you have designated visitor parking. That's really important. And of course you have garage space and driveway parking as well. Let's take a look inside. So if you're new to the Living in Hamilton channel, be sure to reach out to us. We are local Hamilton realtors. We service Hamilton, but we also service the GTA and surrounding areas. So if you're in the market to buy or sell, reach out to us. We will be happy to help you. Our contact information is in the description and is also in the first comment. So right off the bat, guys, you have a powder room in front of the house. Very convenient, especially if you really gotta go as soon as you get in. Loving the staircase. I always get mixed feelings from people about carpet or non-carpet. Some people feel like it's a safety hazard when you have young kids because it makes it more slippery. Some people believe it makes the stairs feel more comfy and more cozy. Always get mixed reactions from families when it comes to stairs, but loving this townhome, loving the gray paint. Looks like it's been freshly painted. You have gorgeous open concept layout, beautiful pot lights, stainless steel appliances all through this gorgeous kitchen. I'm loving the dark wood cabinets. The appliances also appear to be newer. I mean, you still see the plastic wrapping. Looks very brand new. Loving the features on this, very modern and updated. So it's great. You have your stove with upper microwave venting combo. Sometimes I get people asking, okay, if there's a microwave on top of it, where does all the smoke and vent go? And there actually is venting. That's usually through here. So it goes right under the microwave, see there? And then it goes right in through the venting, in through a duct and out to the house. So that's how it works for the microwave stove combos. Or sometimes we have stoves. This is usually in like more luxurious stoves that actually have venting built in, usually in the back of the stove. So it all depends. But you have your stove, you have your dishwasher, you have your double sink that looks out to the backyard, which is great. Beautiful granite countertops. Just such a gorgeous home. Beautiful open concept. You do also have direct access to the garage, which is really convenient, especially on those wintry days when you have a lot of groceries to bring in. You don't have to worry about tugging it in the rain or anything like that. So let's make our way upstairs. And just so you guys know, the market's going to start getting busier. Typically January is when I get the most inquiries. I don't know why. I don't know why that is. I think it's because of people's like New Year's resolution, wanting to buy a home. They just want to just get the ball rolling in January. And I tend to get a ton of inquiries in January. So reach out earlier than later, because my team and I are expecting to be very busy into the new year and into the spring. But loving the laundry setup. I love that you have a sink up here. A lot of times I see like stackable laundry upstairs, but you don't have that sink. So that's really convenient. Really love that. And it seems like they just converted the linen closet into that little laundry nook, which is very smart. This is a massive primary bedroom, just a ton of space. It does face the back of the house, so you get that additional privacy. You have a large walk-in closet with access to the attic. Really love this space. And then as we walk through the rest of the home, to your right, you'll see the main bathroom. So right away, I noticed that you have double shower faucet, which is really convenient, especially if you have young kids. My kids actually love to just take the smaller faucet, and they like play with it a lot and create a lot of mess in my bathroom. But you do have a really deep tub here that I love as well. Gorgeous home. Then you have your second bedroom here, facing the front of the house. Absolutely love the windows. Like, this window is large. We have almost floor to ceiling windows here. You have your standard size closet. perfect kids room or guest room. Then you have the third bedroom here, a little bit larger than the previous. You also have your closet here. So let's make our way to the basement. Now let's head to the basement. So one thing I do love about this basement is that you do have a sub pump. So that comes in very handy in the event of there being any flooding that happens in the house. You also have the finished area here, which leads to this recreational space. So you can have this as an office or just a movie theater room. Love that. And you also have additional storage space under the stairs, which is really convenient and an excellent use of space. So let's take a quick look at the backyard. And if you are looking to sell your home, I want to say that there is a significant advantage to listing in January and February. And that is because you beat the spring rush. You'll have less competition, and there are always more serious buyers looking in the winter than in the spring. So just keep that in mind. I have a few sellers and family members and friends who said, when should we list our home? And I'm always like, January and February is that sweet spot. Do not wait till March, April, May, because you'll have more competition and it'll be a little tougher. So this is the backyard, guys. Lots to love with this house. For more information or for a personal property tour, which we'd be happy to give you, reach out to us